Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to set up a GIF in the footer background of the Shopify website. And let's dive into the main topic. So here you can see we're already in the themes panel. So if you see the front end design of our website, then you will see that there is no GIF available in the website. So I just want to integrate a GIF in our footer. So how we can do it? The process is really simple. You just need to come over here and then just click the customize. Once you click over here, then you will eventually get the editing panel where you can edit your things here properly. Just select the footer. Once you select footer, then you can add blocks in here. So I will select this image options. Once I select the image, now I will just click on select. Once I click over here, then I can easily add GIF files. So let's say I have a couple of GIFs, so I just want to add a GIFs in here. Let's say we are going to add this one, or maybe this one, and then I'll just click this one and I'll download it in my computer. So I will save it here. Just open this one in that place, and I am going to download this one as a zip in my computer. So I already did, and now I'll go back that place.